that I had received information that Mr. Jacob Mnisi, the businessman who was previously tipped to become the chairperson of the Ngonyama Trust Board, had suggested to the king that he should appoint His Royal Highness Prince Vanana of the Guamania Royal House as his traditional prime minister. I sat, ladies and gentlemen, in the presence of His Royal Highness Prince Vanana himself. His Majesty's legal advisor was present as well as other people, including some members of the royal family at this meeting, and 2 former members of the Ngonyama Trust Board who are lawyers themselves, and also in the presence of a businessman by the name of Muzi Ntombela. When I mentioned this thing at this meeting, there was no reaction to what I said by His Majesty. He neither confirmed it nor denied the information. It was Prince Vanana himself who just sighed and said, "Oh," that was all. So I felt important to raise this matter with the king, specifically because it involves the man who was said to become the chairperson of the Ngonyama Trust Board, who had been appointed by the king himself. And you recall that in February, Mr. Mnisi issued the statement I've just mentioned, saying that he had declined his nomination to the position of chairing the Ngonyama Trust Board when the king offered the position to him, citing tribalism and the fact that he would not be able to do business with the trust if he were its chairperson. That would be a conflict of interest, he said in the article. He claimed that the Zulu kingdom is poor because effectively the board lacks business skills. Opting insisted for a Zulu chairperson, he said. One can understand why there are concerns over the role that Mr. Jacob Mnisi is playing on all the matters of the Zulu nation, all of them. But let me speak